Nasir Shah for the invitation tonight. I've known Nasir for about 30 years, and he's always putting on great events, great concerts, great cultural functions. To have this Halal Fest in Milton, I'm a little bit jealous. I want to see him do one in Brampton one day. But what a great crowd, so many great vendors. See our friends here, Khaled, by the way, from Brampton. Ikra Khalid, such a great MP. I think Ruby Sahota was here too. Dr. Ravi, of course, and so just wanted to bring our love and greetings from the city of Brampton. And I want to thank Nasir. I know that when we had that trip to Pakistan, you were very helpful. It was my third trip to Pakistan. You can't go to Pakistan and not fall in love with the country. And one of the things we worked on, that I worked on with Nasir when I was in Pakistan was we did some work with Shahid Afridi to promote cricket, and we just finished a great tournament where we had some of the biggest names from Pakistan. So thank you for your friendship and support, not just for this Halal Food Fest, but for helping us grow cricket in Canada. And I know there are no cricket fans like there are Pakistani Canadian cricket fans. So thank you, Nasir. So have a great celebration today, and thank you for including us.